Good morning friends, welcome to pre-market update. Yesterday market rallied and Sensex was up 102 points while Nifty was close near the 8200 mark. In terms of prominent gainers in Sensex yesterday, we saw that major sectors like oil, metal and auto stocks supported the Sensex while IT was a drag and IT index fell 1.7% down. In terms of prominent gainers in Sensex, we had seen strong buying in Hindalco, which was up 9%. Apart from that, we had seen buying in stocks like Vedanta, ONGC, Tata Steel and Bajaj Auto, which were the prominent gainers in Sensex, while the prominent losers were the IT stocks like Wipro, Infosys and TCS. Apart from that, we had seen selling in Axis Bank and Bharti, so they were prominent losers in Sensex. Yesterday what we saw, rupee gain almost was up strongly and it closed around 64.96 level. The prominent reason for the gain was RBI has notified that it would allow greater access to foreign portfolio investors in government-backed security. As a result, the rupee appreciated strongly on Wednesday. In terms of FIIs flows, they were net sellers to the tune of 51 crores in cash market, while DIs also were sellers to the tune of 219 crores. In terms of index futures, FIIs were long on index futures to the tune of 1140 crores. Now coming on to global market updates. At this point in time, what we are seeing that global markets like Nikkei and Hang Seng are trading a little bit weak. Nikkei is down 0.5% while Hang Seng is down minus 0.8%, while Shanghai is trading strong and it is up 3% at this point in time. In terms of global markets like Dow, S&P and Nasdaq, they were up more than 0.75% but less than 1%. SGX at this point in time is trading at 8197 levels at just minus 2 points down, indicating that we might open on a flattish note. Now friends, let's have a derivative check.
Good morning friends, I will give analysis on derivatives. In yesterday's market, taking mixed cues from the international markets, our markets opened on a flattish note, and thereon we have seen Nifty extending with the gains and try to conquer 8200 levels and also go above that. But thereon we have seen some kind of selling pressure at around 8200 levels. However, we managed to close just below 8200 with a gain of around half a percentage at 8194.65. Yesterday's market, it was like it was a bit volatile in a narrow range where it oscillated between negative and positive territory. But eventually, at last, we have seen Nifty posting up with a healthy gain. Open interest terms, we have seen 5% addition in open interest, and with increase in cost of carry from 1.5% to 3.5%, that is Nifty premium did went up from around 7 odd points to 17 points currently, indicating good amount of long position which was been added by market participants. We have seen an addition of around 11 odd lakh shares, which is quite huge, and with increase in open interest, indicating that with high confidence level we have seen significant amount of long build up by market participants. In the put call ratio, since suggesting that 0.991 would be the resistance, and it has managed to cross the resistance as it was up by around 4 odd basis point in yesterday's trade from 0.99 to 1.03 levels, while volatility index, which is surprising, volatility index has not been reducing from current levels despite market have rising more than 200 to 50 points in the last 4 to 5 trading sessions, but we have not seen a sharp decline in volatility index, and we are anticipating a sharp decline in volatility index till it sustains below 20. Since it's below 20, there are higher chances that we might see more cool off in volatility index in coming trading sessions. In yesterday's trading session, we have seen it was more or less same at 19.34 levels. On the options activity, 8300 call option have seen an addition of around 1 odd percentage, while 8200 and 8400 strike price. 8300 is the highest in terms of open interest. Hence, we have seen very minor addition, but in the options, call option, most of the call option, right from in the money to out of the money call option, have been seeing an unwinding in open interest, which is a very positive sign for our market going forward. 8200, 8400 strike price has seen a reduction of around 5% respectively. Now, since 8200 is an at the money option, our focus would be around 8200. Our focus would be on 8200 strike price. And the last 2 consecutive trading sessions, despite market has not been able to go past close above 8200, but we have been seeing an unwinding in 8200 call option. and we do all know 8200 has seen significant amount of writing since start of the series. So an unwinding which triggers a positive sign for our market, a further unwinding can see the momentum and we can see a positive momentum in the coming trading session. While in put option, we continue to see heavy pileup of open interest, especially in 8000 strike price, which have seen in continuous addition, and in yesterday's trade also 10% was added in open interest. However, 8200 have also started seeing a significant amount of addition. 30% of addition at the money put option has been taken as a positive sign, while 8100 strike price has also seen an addition of around 22%. So seeing the options activity and the derivative data, we might see that stronger end of the market participants have been building long positions in the market, and simultaneously there is a put writing which has been observed by market participants, that too by the stronger hand. So all in all, the data looks positive, and the short term trend also is positive, and can see a further upside in the market till 8300, which is the highest call base. There are no securities in ban period for today's trade. On the FIS terms, since I have been suggesting that stronger hands have been accumulating long positions, FIs are the one which are the stronger hands, and they have been buying index futures, and they were net buyers of 1140 crores, which is quite huge, and the open interest of FIs and index futures went up by around 6 to 7%, indicating good amount of long build up by FIs. In the last 3 to 4 consecutive trading sessions, we have been seeing FIs building long positions. Index options, they are net sellers of 215 crores. They have been selling options, and majority of the build up which we have been seeing in options is on the put side. So it's quite obvious, and can be said that majority of the options which have been selling are the put options, so they are writing put. In stock futures, they are net sellers of 463 crores, while in stock options, they are net sellers of 120 crores only. For our market level, 5 days we have stands at 8075 with a lower range at 8075 and higher range at 8265. ICX Nifty is trading flat, is up by just 1 point, and it's trading at 8200, indicating a flattish opening has been expected in today's trade. That's it from derivatives. Thank you.
Now friends, let's discover trading ideas for the day. First trading idea for the day is Man Industries. Current market price is 104. Man Industry has recently backed domestic as well as global orders to the tune of 700 crores in the oil and gas and water sector projects. So this is positive development for Man Industry. Action to be taken is long Man Industry at stop loss is placed at 101, and we'll be targeting levels of 109 and 114. Next long order for the day is Tata Steel. Current market price is 237. Tata Steel, as per the latest update, UK pension residual deficit has gone down to 90 million pounds in March 2014 from 515 million pounds in March 2011. So this is positive development for Tata Steel, as the pension commitments have gone down drastically. Action to be taken is long Tata Steel. Stop loss is placed at 231, and we'll be targeting levels at 245 and 252. Next long order for the day is Reliance Infra. Current market price is 365. Reliance Infra has suggested that it won't want to exit the cement business, and the promoters are expecting the valuation of the business to be to the tune of 5,500 to 6,000 crores. Even in the AGM, and Mr. Anil Ambani has suggested that it would exit non-core business. So cement happens to be one of the non-core business. So this is positive development for Reliance Infra, as it will help to bring down its debt, which is too much, around 25,000 crores. Stop loss for the Reliance Infra is placed at 358, and will be targeting levels of 375 and 390 levels. Now friends, we'll be moving on to news update front. DHL cut retail prime lending rates by 20 bps to 9.65%. Tech Mahindra to collaborate with Transport System Catapult to develop intelligent mobility solution that addresses the growing capability, operational efficiency and interoperability challenges faced by the UK supply chain and logistics industry. So this is positive breakthrough for Tech Mahindra. Can India ask government to cut down the cess and crude oil produced from Rajasthan field as the oil prices have gone down? Tata Motors plans to introduce Bolt hatchback and sedan in South African markets. Financial Technologies concluded sale of 2.6% stake in IEX. It's an exchange. Mauritius is in talk with India to double tax avoidance review, as per Reuters report. 3 Infotech says, as per the CDR package, have allotted 1.7 crore shares to DBS Bank on preferential basis. Aban Offshore's shareholders have approved QIP for the to be given QIP of securities to the institutional buyers. Apollo Hospitals to raise 1000 crores for expansion purposes. Tata Teleservices want airwaves spread up for 4G teleservices. Initial application is for 4 circles. Government may seek special dividend from leading central public sector enterprises to shore up its revenue during the current fiscal. Companies which could give dividend are Coal India, NTPC, ONGC, GAIL and IOC. DLF board to meet today for a possibility of selling a part of rental business. Valuation for such business is expected as per media reports to be to the tune of $1.5 to $2 billion. Cipla has inked a pact with Biopharma SPA for establishing a joint venture company in Algeria to manufacture and market respiratory products. IPLA Limited will hold 40% stake in the joint venture company, while remainder will be held by Biopharma-led Algerian consortium. Center tells states to raise power tariffs gradually. Now, friends, will be moving moving to watch list and to understand stocks with positive and negative bias. Stocks with positive bias are Bosch Limited at 21,495, Hero Motocorp at 2544, and UCO Bank at 48 rupees. Now, stocks with negative bias are Voltas at 272, Pidilite Industry at 576, and Ashok Leyland at 94 rupees. Now, stocks for investment which can be suggested to long-term investors. Dr. Reddy's at 4196, Britannia Industries at 3236, HDFC Bank at 1088, Tata Motors DVR at 242, and Z Enterprise Limited at 399. Friends, that's all from Advisory Desk. Have a wonderful day ahead.